Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Lola and I make content about fashion and sneakers, and for today's video I'm bringing you guys a weekly rotation, except with a twist. For this last week I decided to only wear my off-white sale Jordan 4s. Let's get into it. So it's been a couple months since I've actually worn my off-white Jordan 4s, and I felt like they were being totally neglected. So from that I decided to show them some love and wear them for the entire week. Disclaimer, there were 2 days out of the week where it did rain, and so for those days I did not wear them. So there will be a little under 7 outfits in this video, but nonetheless, let's hop right into the first outfit. Alright, so the first outfit that I had worn this past week was a very calm outfit. Considering what's going on in the world right now, I'm not popping out anywhere. So for the top, I decided to wear an oversized long sleeve Supreme tee. I'm not too familiar with the actual name of it, but if I do remember it, I will have the link down below in the description. So I decided to pair that shirt with some Levi's shorts that are short enough to not really be seen, because I kind of like that oversized like t-shirt dress kind of look. And alongside all of that, I wore my baseball cap. So that was the first outfit of the week. Alright, so for the next day, again, a super calm fit. And so moving into the fit, I have my Travis Scott shorts that I showed y'all all in my recent pickups video, card right here. Go ahead and watch that if you haven't. And alongside those shorts, I wore it with my brand is Lola white tank top. Keep that a little secret between you and me because that has not dropped just yet. But when it does, y'all will know about it. And besides that, yeah, that was the fit for the next day. So moving on, the next outfit is actually not as calm, but still calm, if you get what I'm saying. Like, it's still a casual fit nonetheless. So for this day, I decided to do a little bit more than I usually do, just because I was so tired of wearing sweats. But moving into the outfit, the jacket that I'm wearing was actually thrifted a couple of years ago, like 5-6 years ago, and I ended up cropping and fraying it by myself. But it was an oversized men's army fatigue jacket that I ended up cutting. Underneath that, I decided to wear it with a strapless ribbed Missguided dress, and yeah, that was the outfit for that day. Moving on to the next outfit. I know you guys have seen these sweats in a ton of my videos, but I can't express how much I love these sweats. We have our Yeezy Calabasas sweatpants, and I decided to pair those with a red tank top. That was actually my first time I've ever wearing those sweats with a actual red tank top or a red top, just to kind of be like super matchy. But nonetheless, I actually kind of really liked it. And yeah, that was the fit for the next day. Moving on to the next fit, which is actually the final fit. Still super calm, not surprised by that, but I actually decided to wear another pair of pants or sweatpants that I showed you guys in my recent pickups video, and these are my custom Columbia sweatpants with the Bape logo on the thigh. And they are, one, super freaking comfortable, and two, they're really unique. So yeah, I had to throw that into my rotation for this week. And also, considering that this is the first time of me wearing them, I definitely had to pair them off with my Jordan 4s. Moving from that, the top that I'm wearing is actually a Kith tank top. If I can provide the link, it'll be down in the description. But yeah, that was it for the last outfit. Alrighty, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the outfits or some of the ways that I was able to style my Jordan 4s. And I hope you guys got some inspiration for either back to school, the summer, or even the early fall. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.